Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix live streaming isn't available right now with Twitter. So sometimes let's say what you encounter is the live is not working, or it says that the live or streaming isn't available right now. So how does it happen is there are many reasons. So firstly, what you can do is you can just go to your web browser and search for down detector, and then just go with this first link and just go all the way down where you can find this X Twitter. Just go over there, and then firstly over here just check the status of the Twitter. Is there any problem going on with the servers or not? So right now it says user reports indicate no current problem at X Twitter, so it's all good. Sometimes if there is any problem with the servers, it says user report indicates some problems at X Twitter. So one thing is that. So another thing is just update your browser. So currently I'm using Google Chrome, so just update it from anywhere near. Or else what you can do is the third step is just check your internet connections all the way. Just have, like, let's say just troubleshoot your internet connection. Check everything. Is the internet working? Another thing is just if you are using a mobile app of X Twitter, just update your app as well. So that's how you do it, and your live stream will be available right now. Works. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So if you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. We'll see you. So I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.